Well, here we are at Monkswood. I only just discovered this little place, but it's possibly a little gem. Welcome to Ashing Lane Nature Reserve, part of the Nettleham Woodland Trust, and it's literally right on my doorstep. So basically these guys, well, they've redone this whole thing, so it's a brand new nature reserve. Absolutely fantastic little place. As you can see, a lot of hard work's gone into it. There we go, that's the actual reserve itself. Yeah, so the Nettleham Woodland Trust was formed in 2006. It's a registered charity, and its aims are to buy, lease and manage land around the Nettleham area, plant trees, shrubs, meadowland for the future enjoyment of people of Nettleham and surrounding villages. But like me really, to provide new, larger and more diverse wildlife habitats and develop recreational amenities for walking, picnicking, cycling, bird watching, photography and much more. Looks like it's got plenty of support as well, which is always fascinating to see. And obviously due to the seasons, obviously there's plenty to see all year round. Let's go investigate and see what we can find. Of course, quite crucial for my other channel, which is mainly cycling orientated. Yeah, we've got some cycling racks where we can actually cycle all the way here, lock the bikes up and go for a little roam. Always a good idea. Not that I'm into bird watching in any way, shape or form, and I'm brand new to all this, but here you can spot a male yellowhammer, male chaffinch. Forgive me if I get these pronunciations completely wrong. I'm a complete idiot when it comes to this sort of thing. We've got something called a tree sparrow, a dunnock, coal tit, great tit, blue tit, a robin and a goldfinch of course. And obviously there's possibly a few other varieties as well. Yeah, it's quite good actually. I don't really do walking, I do cycling. But it's a lovely day. I didn't fancy cycling today. I just fancied just a little stroll. And I've never been to this place, and I've always been fascinated to see what was around this neck of the woods. But here we are. But yeah, look at this. Well, this is fantastic really, because now we've got picnic areas. Absolutely wonderful. Do you know what? This could be a really good day out for the family. I'm not sure what I'm more impressed with. It's here and it's just literally 5 minutes away from my house. 2, I've never been here. And 3, it's absolutely empty so far. I've not seen a soul. But then again, it is quite a warm day. I think it's about 30 degrees today, so a lot of people are probably staying inside, keeping cool. Plenty of fruit on the trees. Oh, we've got another little, right, we have wildflowers. And we're not allowed to pick these apparently. Please don't pick the flowers, it says. There is brambles, cinnabar caterpillar on ragwort, small skipper on red clover, 6-spot burnet on tufted vetch, yellow rattle, painted lady on knapweed. Oak, okay. Right, what have we got here? We have King of the Woods. Oak is very strong and durable, good for building ships and cathedrals too. Yes, indeed. I don't think there's much going on at the moment, but I would imagine, imagine previously it did. Oak grows for 300 years, mature for the next 300, and takes another 300 years to die. Wow, that is incredible. And it looks like we've got something here. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, right. Cathedral copse. I hope I'm saying that right and not butchering that. But that was planted in 2017 to commemorate the 800th anniversary year of the Charter of the Forest. So there's plenty and plenty of stuff to see. I must confess, it's never been my thing. But I think a lot of people during lockdown, and obviously for the last few years, have been cooped up inside, want to get out, they want to go explore. Me personally, I do a lot of cycling. You can catch that on my other channel if you're interested in that as well, but I'll keep this separate just to be I don't want to annoy the cyclist. But this is yeah, it really is quite, it's like it's mine at the moment. It's empty. Yeah, it looks like we've got some clearing here with some bushes. Should we go have a look? I think we must. It'd be rude not to. I must say it all looks pretty brand new as well. Some of these benches literally have just been put here. And what have we here? Wow, Lincoln Cathedral Book of Oaks. Lincoln Cathedral Book of Oaks contains the names of those who have pledged gifts to the woodland oak timber for the restoration of Lincoln Cathedral's roofs. Nettleham Woodland Trust dedicated 100 trees from this woodland. Wow, so they weren't kidding when they said that the oaks here were going to be used for building. So it looks like they've committed to growing the oaks here for a few more centuries to hopefully maintain the roof, which is obviously in constant repair at Lincoln Cathedral. Right, looks like we have a gate. Dog owners, you're welcome to walk your dogs in Monk's Wood and Co-op Wood. However, this is a nature reserve and you must respect the wildlife and other visitors. Looks like we're going to go into the Co-op Wood at the moment, which I'm guessing is obviously a wood. I think there's some wetland here as well, although it might not be very wet at the moment. Those black bands and droughts being called in the UK at the moment. Should be back to normal business before the end of next week. I think we've got some thunderstorms coming in the next few days. Lots of rain. Ah yes, not that I'm gonna, but definitely no swimming. Not on your Nelly. Well, we do have water in it. Can't really beat a day like today. Absolutely glorious weather. Not a soul in sight. Fantastic. Looks like we've gone round in a nice big circle, so double back and imagine we go through the gate again. Now we came on, where did we come? We come from down there, I believe. We came from down there, so I'd imagine that'll take us back to the road. Let's go down this way. Let's see what's down here. It'll probably turn out this is the way I came in the first place, but do you know what? I don't mind. I don't think it is. New sign. And we've got older. Wow, older trees like water and grow happily in our heavily wet soil. Look for the small alders and they're planting themselves beside the roots. So, got the older kitten moth. Female flowers, older leaf beetles, and something called older catkins. Hazel. The leaves provide food for many moths, include large emerald. Wow. This is really quite a fascinating little thing. So yeah, we've got the hazel one there. Certainly looks like this place is geared up for families. Plenty of benches for picnics, walks. The paths are actually pretty wide and pretty stable as well, which is always good. So yeah, well worth a visit, I think. Ooh, crikey. There are lots of different textures in the woodland. The bark of silver birch trees has lots of papery strips. As the trees get bigger, deep cracks appear. See how different the bark of other trees feel, but be careful touching blackthorn and hawthorn trees. They don't want you to get too close. So we do have the horrible grass snake. Ooh, I hate grass snakes. Wow, we've got some caterpillars, some berries, bark, and some flowers. But yeah, I hate them. I've got a phobia of snakes. I hate the bloody things. Yeah, must watch out for that then. Been quite a pleasant little walk. Learnt a few new things. I love the fact that there's loads of little paths. They all sort of crisscross each other like a maze. So you can't really get lost in this sort of place. Well, in this place you can't get lost. Yeah, I love it. Very peaceful. And it's all empty at the moment as well. Oh, we just missed something. What was that? Yeah, something shot in here. That scared the bejesus out of me. Poor bloody bird. I did see it go in there. I'm like, oh, can't be that silly, can it? But no, it did. Wow. Well, there you go, close encounters. Just glad it wasn't a snake. Okay, right. I'm gonna wrap this up. So yeah, please don't slate me in the comments on this one. I'm brand new to this sort of thing. And yeah, I've had quite an enjoyable little walk on this one. So if you like what this is, please do comment and hit the like if you like it. Subscribe if you want to subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.